Well, this is exercise to me.
It's exercise to you.
It is. Did you know they classify this as exercise?
Well, because it's keeping you mobile. Move, Stephanie.
Stephanie's going out. Alright, ready?
Yeah, it's on.
Let's start with the big hoodie.
You might want to get closer. And maybe shut your chair off. Because the way you gotta throw that stuff in there, you're probably gonna hook a article of clothing on your joystick.
Woody, quit scratching your butt. She's in there tap dancing because she's scratching her butt on the underside of the futon. Throw that in while I'm at it. Didn't go in, but I'll get it.
Wait a minute, there's a sock on the floor. Would you like me to get it?
Yes, please.